Hey everyone, today we're going to spend some time doing some paint correction on the car. We have a lot of swirl marks, a lot of light oxidation, just little things here and there that we could spend some time with a polisher and some cutting compounds and make this paint really pop. Let's get to it. As you can see in the paint here, kind of hard to catch on camera, but there's a lot of little swirl marks. You can kind of follow the lights here and you'll see them. We also have a lot of little dings and things like that around all various corners and edges of the car. Just something you would expect to see on a 20-some-year-old paint job. Overall, the paint's in pretty good shape though. A lot of things you'll see on these old Corvettes is cracking and stuff like that due to the fiberglass and probably not being properly sealed or whatever. This car doesn't have too much of that, thankfully, but it does have just a lot of little scratches here and there that we could probably get most of out of the paint just by using some varying levels of compound. Before starting the polish, I find it best to clay bar the paint. Clay barring will remove a lot of contaminants that have built up on the paint, leaving you with the best surface to begin polishing. For this job, I'll be cutting the paint twice. Due to the age and uncertainty of the paint's history, I find it best to play it safe when doing paint correction. The last thing I want is to cut through or scour the paint, negating any benefit of polishing the car. I won't achieve a perfect showroom finish or anything, but I can still create a great shine in the summer sun and a paint finish that still looks great from only a few feet away. For the polish, I'm using a Makita polisher with a 6-inch backing pad and 7-inch foam pads of varying firmness, depending on which compound I'm using. This is a combo I've been using for about 20 years with great results. Meguiar's has been my go-to compound, but I've also used 3M with great results as well. One thing that really detracts from a great finish is dried out compound and wax in all the nooks and crannies. Spending a few extra minutes to clean as you go before it's baked on by the sun is the easiest way to keep everything looking its best and most professional. Alright, here we are. Just wrapped up, got it out of the garage, got a good wipe down.